Welcome to this video on AI for personalized product recommendations. After watching this video, you'll be able to personalize product recommendations for individual customers using AI-powered algorithms, identify different types of recommendation algorithms such as collaborative filtering and content-based filtering, describe the best practices to follow while using AI recommendations. Today's online marketplace is flooded with countless stores offering similar products. To stand out, delivering the right product to the right customer at the right time is the key. This is where AI-driven personalized recommendations help. They cut through the clutter and guide customers toward what they love while boosting engagement and conversions. In this video, you'll explore the importance of personalized recommendations, how AI powers them, the best practices to follow, and the future of AI recommendations. Let's start by exploring the features of personalized recommendations. By showing relevant products, they improve customer experience. They increase sales by suggesting items customers might not have otherwise considered. Demonstrating an understanding of customer needs, they build customer loyalty. These recommendations can be implemented across various platforms, including websites, email, and mobile apps, and they ensure data-driven and effective recommendations tailored to individual customer preferences. Imagine an e-commerce company that sells women's clothing and uses AI recommendations to suggest specific dresses based on the user's need, body type, and previous browsing history. Do you know how AI powers these recommendations? Let's explore. Tools like Recom AI provide engine-based personalized recommendations driven by AI algorithms. These algorithms analyze large amounts of customer data to identify patterns and predict future behavior. Likewise, e-commerce platforms use various algorithms to drive personalized recommendations. These include collaborative filtering, which recommends products based on the preferences of similar customers, content-based filtering that recommends products similar to those a customer has liked or purchased in the past, hybrid approaches that combine collaborative and content-based filtering for more accurate and personalized recommendations. Machine learning includes algorithms that learn from customer interactions and continuously refine recommendations over time, and deep learning includes advanced machine learning techniques to analyze complex data and generate highly personalized recommendations. Providing both high-quality and sufficient data is critical to building an effective AI-based recommendation engine. AI cannot generate meaningful insights without good quality data, and without enough quantity, it cannot deliver accurate recommendations. Let's explore the types of data that recommendation engines use. Purchase history provides valuable insights into customer preferences. Browsing history tracks which products customers have viewed, put into their wish lists, or even added to their carts. Demographic data, such as age and location, helps the engine better understand the customer. Ratings and reviews help AI understand customer satisfaction, and clickstream data tracks how customers interact with the website and provides insights into their behavior. Implementing AI-powered recommendations requires integrating AI algorithms with your e-commerce platform. There can be different methods for this integration. E-commerce platforms with built-in recommendation engines or AI-powered integrations. API integrations that connect data with AI recommendation services. Custom development for building your own AI recommendation systems, and A/B testing that evaluates different recommendation strategies and optimizes performance. To get the best results from your AI recommendation engine, follow these practices. Use accurate and up-to-date data. Ensure recommendations align with customer preferences. Offer diverse recommendations to prevent an echo chamber where the same suggestions repeatedly appear. Be transparent about how recommendations are generated. Regularly analyze and refine recommendation strategies. The future of AI-powered recommendations is filled with exciting possibilities. Here are some anticipated trends. Hyper-personalization, where AI anticipates customer needs and offers proactive recommendations. Contextual recommendations based on real-time context, such as location and time of day. Visual recommendations, where AI generates personalized visual recommendations, such as suggesting outfits based on current trends, and voice-activated recommendations through smart speakers and virtual assistants. Imagine a generative AI agent embedded in your smartphone, providing recommendations based on your location, time of day, and previous eating habits, and guiding you to choices that match your personality. that future isn't very far. In this video, you learned that the key benefits of personalized recommendations include improving customer experience, increasing sales, enhancing customer loyalty, enabling implementation across various platforms, and ensuring data-driven and effective recommendations. AI recommendations are powered by AI algorithms that analyze vast amounts of customer data to identify patterns and predict future behavior. The main types of algorithms for personalized recommendations include collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, hybrid approaches, machine learning, and deep learning. The types of data used for recommendations include purchase history, browsing history, demographic data, ratings and reviews, and clickstream data. Implementing AI-powered recommendations involves integrating AI algorithms with your e-commerce platform. The methods include integration with e-commerce platforms, API integration, custom development, and A/B testing. The best practices to follow include using accurate and up-to-date data, ensuring relevant recommendations, offering a diverse range of recommendations, maintaining transparency, and regularly analyzing and refining recommendation strategies.